Hello, I am Justin. I will have a resolution project presentation today. Today I will introduce my country Brazil. Brazil is located in South America. It is the largest country in South America. Soccer, samba dance, and a great Amazon rainforest are the famous one in Brazil. The size is 8.516 million kilometers square. It is the 60th country in the world. Brazil have also lots of climate. For example, there are hot, dry, and humid. Among lots of famous things in Brazil, I will introduce Amazon rainforest today. The Amazon rainforest has the most important problem now in Brazil. It is the largest rainforest in the world, and the size is 5.5 million kilometers square. This occurred half of Brazil's land. People say that it is a great nature crisis in modern society. Look at the big Amazon rainforest. The rivers are consist of zigzag. And now we will check what problems it is in Amazon. It is the most important issues today. The Amazon rainforest has been burning since 2010. It is almost 10 years. Unfortunately, it is already destroyed thousands of miles because of burning fire. And many citizens in Brazil have a lot of complaints. Also, it is affected to make conflict between government and citizenship in Brazil. Not only burning Amazon, but also deforestation is happening. Do you think why are these problems? The reasons are that farmers are suffering to work their jobs. It has many problems to be agriculture, ranching, farming, and other things. And it also happens global warming. In addition, many wild creatures in Amazon are losing their habitats and even lose easily their lives. These pictures are the rainforest Amazon is burning. As I said already before, the area was disappeared a thousand of miles. Deforestation is a big problem too. What is deforestation? Yeah, it is permanent removal of trees to make room. Not only Brazil, but also other countries consider deforestation. They are dividing. It is either a good choice or a bad choice, and it is one of the huge problem in the forest, as I said already. Look at graph of deforestation rate. The left one is between 2000 and 2014. Other graph is between 2015 and 2018. And then now we'll analyze graph. In 2004, approximately 28,000 trees were deforested, and it was highest record in the 21st century. As the problem was serious, the government started to make a plan to solve deforestation. Then the rates are decreasing. As a result, in 2014, the rate was the lowest record in the 21st century. However, unfortunately, Brazil encountered a deep recession and could invest no more to save the Amazon. Finally, it was rising again between 2015 and 2018. And how to influence in Brazil? I think in May the citizens and government have conflict continuously. Yeah, farmers are able to lose their jobs because the lands are gradually disappearing, and it is threatened by unsustainable project economic demands. And it is also, I think the worst is it is probably making global warming. Thank you for watching my presentation.